So now buttons can have image as a background, just like this one. I discovered it a couple of days ago and I wanted to share with you. It's super tiny, but it's super cute. So if you go to buttons and go to style buttons and you add a button, let's make it a bit bigger. So now you have a new option, is to add an image as a background fill. So if I clicked to add an image, so this is my site file. I've created two versions of the same image, a black version and colored one. So we don't really see, so let's add some borders, so white one. Just like in the example, it will be 3 pixels and the text will be white. And let's make it much bigger and something like this, maybe 42. And let's add outline. Not this one. Let's create an outline so it will be very clear. So now you can see there is a difference between these two elements, these two buttons. It's the way that the image is filled, the background. So you can play around with it. There is scale to fill, custom scale in percentage, so you can play around with it, which is super cute. And you have tile and scale to fit. So let's choose scale to fill. It's not exactly the same as this one, but let's do something different. And then the beautiful thing is that on hover you can choose a different image. So now if I choose the colored one, I'll get a different experience. I just need to make sure that I still have border, 3 pixels and white. And if I preview it, now you can see that I have a different experience when I'm hovering the button, basically a different image. So this is the creative way that I found it useful, but I'm sure that you have like much better ideas on the creative side. So very short, very small. I wanted to share it with you. And if you create something beautiful with it or creative with it, please share with everyone. So until next time, keep building amazing sites on Wix Studio.